I have tried making money by watching video ads on this platform, and I was really disappointed. And a lot of big YouTubers have made videos surrounding this particular platform on how you can watch 30 seconds video ads and earn a lot of money, like Odetta, and this is what she says about this platform.
Here with this particular website or app, there are many ways to earn, but today we're going to focus on the video watching because that one pays the most.
It sounds great, right? Yeah, I know. And this other big YouTuber also says
you can earn a lot of money here no matter where you live, which sounds great.
now, take note of the amount of people who actually viewed these videos. If I'm to say that 95% of these people actually try to watch this 30 seconds video ads to earn money, I will be 100% right. And this is because millions of people out in the world are looking for opportunities to empower themselves financially, to become financially free, financially independent. So no matter the information they see out there about making money from the online space, they would definitely try that method. And it'll be very disappointing for you to be assured that you can actually make this amount of money in a month from this platform. And when you go to try, you waste your time and you waste your data. In this video, I'm going to take you through this platform. I will show you how much you can earn from watching video ads, how long it will take you to make up to $100 if that is even possible. But most importantly, I'm going to show you a method in which you can actually earn money from this platform. This is so that we all can decide if this platform is worth our time or not. Hello, small gigs, big results. On this channel, we are turning your smartphone into an earn phone, and we have decided to monetize all we do. So if you love this and you want to join the winning team, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and watch this video till the end. Now, before we go into this video proper, let me know the country you're watching me from and the city you're watching me from. And please do like, comment, and share this video so that the algorithm of YouTube will actually share this video to a lot of people so that they can decide for themselves if this platform is worth their time or not. For you to be able to understand me well, I would love for you to create your account so that we can take this together step by step and we can all analyze this platform. The name to this platform is Paid Work, and the link to this platform is on the description, so you can go right there, click on it, and it will take you to this platform and you can create your account in less than 2 minutes. While you do that, I will sit here and wait for you. Welcome back. I hope creating your account wasn't difficult. The first thing I want you to notice on this platform is that 100 points is equal to $1. And there are several ways on this platform that you can actually make money. So if you scroll down, you will see several other means which you can make money from this platform. But what we are talking about today is watching video ads and earning money for yourself. So just click on earn on video ads and you would see it says you need to watch 30 seconds video ads and you would earn 1 point. Remember, 100 points is equal to $1. Now, this simply means that if watching 30 seconds ads will give you 1 point, then you have to watch 100 video ads to be able to make 100 points that will give you $1. Does that sink in? Now, let me break it down in another way. If you watch one video ad for 30 seconds, that means you can watch 2 video ads in 1 minute and you would make 2 points. This also means that if you watch 10 video ads in 5 minutes, you will make 10 points. I hope I got that right. But in essence, you have to make 100 points to be able to make $1. So if you have to make 1,000 points, 1,000 points will give you $10. And remember, Every 30 seconds is 1 point. Now, if my own mathematics is not right, then you can do the calculation for yourself to know how much time you have to spend in a day to be able to make even $1. Is this actually worth your time? Remember that you're going to be spending your time and your data that you would have actually invested in doing something else and earning real money for yourself. Also, this is what this YouTuber says about this particular platform. I will want you to listen carefully to her analysis and her calculations.
If you watch 30-second videos for 8 hours in a day, that's 960 videos in one day. And if you're earning the 1 cent that all three of us were able to earn per 30-second video, that's only gonna be about $9.60 per day. However, if you do this from Monday to Friday, each week for a whole month, which works out to about 22 days in a month, you're gonna earn $211.
Now, these are calculations of 3 people who actually made $211 in a whole month. Now, let's just say that this is actually possible for an individual in Cameroon or Nigeria today. But what exactly are you going to do with $211 for a whole month that you've spent your data and your time? And remember that the reality of this platform is that you must be able to watch 30 seconds of this video before you earn that 1 point, which means that just imagine you watching the video for 30 seconds and maybe you have an internet failure. It means you have actually lost your data, your time. You have to start from scratch to watch another video again. Let's go back to the details of her analysis. Now, she said this is actually an analysis of 3 people who actually made this $211 in a month. Now, imagine you are actually an individual making this money. So that means you have to divide this $311 into 3, and that will be the amount of money you would earn in a month from this platform. But remember this. You are in Africa, and the reality about watching video ads and earning money from other platforms is that sometimes this video ads will not be available in your location, and sometimes you might actually have internet failure, which means that you cannot be able to watch those video ads. Let me say, for those who are living in the US, in Canada, in UK, it's different for them. But if you are in Africa, you have to do your own analysis about this app differently. Now, I want you all to know this. Making money from this platform is a reality because a lot of people are making money from this platform, as you can see from the evidence they have. But the problem is, how long are you going to take to make the money you want? But if you are looking for money like maybe $10 in a month and it's okay for you, then you can waste your time. But note that you would definitely spend more than you are making from this platform. Your time, your energy, your data connection. I mean, you are putting in a lot, and I don't think you can even make $10 for a month from watching video ads from this platform, talk less of $100. That is almost impossible. But you can try that for yourself. And there are several other means with which you can actually earn money from this platform. And I have tried it, tested, and trusted. And I will share that means with you. But before we go into that, please do like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. This will actually help the algorithm to share this video to a lot of people and bring me more subscribers, more likes, and more comments. There are several other ways in which you can actually earn money from this app, which are playing games, filling out survey, microtask, and mining token, which is still coming up. So if you really want to make money from this platform, take away the idea of watching video ads and earning money and leverage on any of the other means in which you can earn money, because those other means, they will actually tell you how much you can earn, how long you will take to complete the task, so you'll be able to select what you want to do if it is comfortable for you and if you are okay with the amount of money you would earn from carrying out that task. So you can actually decide for yourself if this is what you want to do or not. But amongst all these ways of earning money from this platform, I will tell you that microtask is the easiest. I've been able to go through all these means of earning money, and a lot of them are difficult and some of them are limited to, your geographical area. As you can see right here on my dashboard, I was able to earn $1.18, and this is just from carrying out a micro task, and I actually spent between 5 minutes to 15 minutes to carry out this micro task, and I earned this $1. So if you can spend 15 minutes of your time to earn $1, then it's definitely something you will need to try. Well, I'm not your financial advisor, because I know a lot of you would love to carry out surveys, a lot of you would love to carry out or to play games. But the problems with survey on this platform is that a lot of these surveys are limited to a particular VPN. You know, those in US, in Canada, surveys will actually be a great way for you to earn money from this platform. But for those of us in Africa, I would like you to avoid that, because most of the times when you go there, just like the video you see on your screen right now, you would see that you'll be unable to carry out the survey, and you keep trying it and the same thing, you keep trying it and the same thing. Maybe you will even get a survey that you can carry out once in a week and you would earn, let me say, $5 or $10. But now remember, this video is not only for those in Africa. If you're in Canada, in UK, playing games and carrying out survey is a great way to make money from this platform. But if you are in Africa, microtask is just a better way, or watching video ads, which you will spend a lot of money earning just very little amount of money. Small gigs, big results will never disappoint you. If you love the video so far, thank you so very much. Please go down to the comment section and comment. Monetize everything we do. Like and share this video with your friends and family. This will actually help me to get more views by the algorithm sharing this video on YouTube to many viewers. Small gigs, big results will never disappoint you. See you on my next exciting video on how you can use your smartphone to earn money from the online space. Ta-da!